Have you ever sat down to manage your money, maybe to budget, save, or invest, but somehow ended up scrolling on your phone or watching just one more video? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. If this sounds like you, I want you to know procrastination isn't just wasting your time, it's silently stealing your money and your future. Today, I'm sharing the story of Sarah, someone just like you, who struggled to face her finances and kept putting off money decisions until she finally found a way out. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have clear, practical steps to break free from procrastination and start building better money habits. 1. The emotional toll of procrastination. Sarah is 28, working a steady job, but every month she feels stuck. She wants to save, budget, invest, but the moment she opens her budgeting app, she feels overwhelmed. So she distracts herself with TV or social media instead. Sound familiar? Sarah isn't lazy or careless. She's scared. Scared of facing her money problems, scared of failing, scared she'll never get ahead. That fear creates a cycle of procrastination, and that's where the real damage happens. It's not just about bad money habits, it's about the emotional weight, anxiety, overwhelm, and self-doubt that stops you from taking action. 2. The real cost of procrastination. Here's what procrastinating on your money looks like in real life: missing bill payments and paying late fees, getting deeper into debt without a plan, feeling stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck loop, watching others build wealth while you stay behind, constant stress and sleepless nights worrying about money. If you're searching phrases like how to stop procrastinating on money, easy money habits to start, or how to budget when overwhelmed, you're in the right place. These are the exact struggles millions of people face, and you're not alone. 3. How Sarah broke the cycle. Practical steps. So how did Sarah break free from procrastination? Here's what worked for her, and what can work for you. Start small. She began by tracking every expense for just 1 week. Not a full budget overhaul, just knowing where her money was going gave her clarity and confidence. Find your why. Sarah wrote down why she wanted to change: to build security, reduce stress, and have freedom to travel someday. Your why needs to be personal and emotional. It's what keeps you motivated. Join a supportive community. She found a small online group where she shared goals and progress weekly. Knowing others were cheering her on made a huge difference. Celebrate every win. Paid off a small credit card balance. Saved £20, celebrate it. These wins build momentum and make the process feel rewarding. 4. You're not alone. Join us. I want you to know you don't have to do this alone. Procrastination can feel isolating, but when we come together, it becomes easier. So right now, comment below with your biggest money challenge. Let's build a community where we share wins, struggles, and tips to keep each other accountable. I read every comment and want to help you take that first step. 5. Take action now. If you're ready to stop procrastinating and finally take control of your money, here's what to do next. Hit like if this video is helping you. Subscribe and tap the bell for weekly tips on building money habits and beating financial overwhelm. Comment your first money goal. I want to celebrate it with you. Remember, the hardest part is just starting. Open your bank app, write down a goal, or track your spending for today. That small step is the beginning of a new financial story. Your story. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, share this video with a friend who needs it. Together, we can beat procrastination and create money habits that last a lifetime. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll talk about how to budget even if you hate numbers. Spoiler, it's easier than you think. Take care, and remember, your future is waiting.